Hello freshers, and on behalf of everyone at the BMA, welcome to medical school. This short presentation will outline who the BMA are and how we support you throughout medical school and towards your future career. My name is Ellen and I'm the chair of the Welsh Medical Student Committee. Last year, 90% of all first-year medical students joined the BMA at a freshers' fair. With things being done a little differently this year, we don't want you to miss out on free membership. The BMA is the trade union and professional organisation for doctors and medical students, and joining the BMA allows you to become part of a large community of over 160,000 members. The BMA supports doctors and medical students in a variety of ways. We offer expert support to you both in your studies and your personal lives. When an issue arises in your local area, we have over 230 local advisors on hand to help you by negotiating on your behalf. You can also approach your local student reps who will help you with any issues. As your trade union, we are the leading voice in bringing about change in your profession. We lobby the government in order to secure better conditions for all doctors and students. You can also access tons of free online learning and development courses, including many tools to help you navigate your exams. My fellow Welsh Medical Student Committee members and I act on your behalf on issues that matter to medical students in Wales. We work closely with Welsh Government, local health boards and HEIW, as well as the UK Medical Student Committee. Our current priorities at the moment include raising awareness of student mental health issues and support offered by medical schools in Wales, promoting access to medicine regardless of background. We have lobbied for improvements in the standard of accommodation for students on placement, and monitoring the implementation of the MLA, Medical Licensing Assessment, and medical schools' own assessment procedures. These are exceptional times, and as new students, you may find yourselves experiencing additional pressures, stress, or anxiety as you start your first year of medical school. The BMA offers a counselling and peer support service. Whether it be exam stress, anxiety, relationship issues, etc., there is always somebody you can talk to. You can call our wellbeing team 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you will have the choice of speaking to a counsellor or a doctor who you can contact for peer support. The services are confidential and free of charge. As a student member, you can access our exciting new online tool, Specialty Explorer. It's an online psychometric test, which takes about 20 minutes to complete, asking all sorts of work-life balance questions to help you make an informed choice about your future specialty. It supports you and provides you with a very detailed and personalised report, listing your top 10 specialties according to your answers. It's quick, easy to use, and covers all specialties in the UK. Use this excellent tool throughout your time at medical school to see how your interests develop. BMA Library brings together expertise and medical education resources to help you go further in your studies. Our experts are on hand to help with your research, assignments and search queries. Access thousands of top e-journals and e-books for medical students. If we don't have what you need, we'll work with other libraries to deliver the resource you require where possible. You can access over 22 million journal articles, research services, ebooks and e-journals anywhere, anytime. Our guys in the library really have supported so many students through their finals. Use them as your search engine. As a first-year medical student, you can access BMJ OnExamination for free with a valid BMA membership. BMJ OnExamination provides our members with access to the highest quality questions written by clinical experts. Track your progress, identify your weaknesses, and see how likely you are to pass your exam. This app allows you to revise on your commute, between lectures, or whenever fits your schedule. You can also access mock tests to simulate what you'll experience on exam day, giving you the best chance to pass your exams first time. As part of your free BMJ Learning subscription, you get access to thousands of clinical e-learning modules. There are useful courses both for your exam revision and for completing your e-portfolio when you begin your foundation years as a doctor. There are a few examples of our courses listed on this slide. Build your knowledge with our interactive website, including audio and video modules to help you learn in simulated environments. Keep up to date with practice-changing developments with one of the world's largest and most trusted online CPD providers for doctors and medical students. You can also print and download certificates as proof of your learning. The BMJ also provides support for your non-clinical skills. You can access courses that help with your medical CVs and career planning, including preparing effectively for the SJT, dealing with pressure at medical school, building professional relationships, giving and receiving useful feedback. We also provide courses on interviews, presenting, and negotiating skills. Another important membership benefit is the world-famous British Medical Journal. Get free access to the BMJ online to keep up to date with the latest news, clinical advice, and future careers. As life is a little different this year, on the 14th of October, the BMA will be hosting a free virtual Freshers event. Don't miss out on this essential introduction to medical life. Access live sessions, hear from our guest speaker, Dr. Alex George, A&E and TV doctor. You may know him from Love Island, Lorraine, GMB and his own podcast, The Waiting Room. Join us as Dr. Alex shares his experience of life as a medical student, being a doctor in A&E and advocating for mental health. Connect with fellow students and members of the BMA. Top tips for revising. Learning resources to get you through medical school. Find out how the BMA can support you through the pandemic. Hear from our student reps on how they're supporting you locally. Participate in polling. There are prizes to be won. You'll also receive a free BMA welcome pack through the post if you sign up to our membership at our virtual festival. Don't miss your chance to join the collective chorus of students and doctors across the UK, all sharing inspiration and tips for success. Register now, don't miss out, it's free. 14th of October, 1 p.m. till 5 p.m. Join the BMA today. It's free for your first year. Use the QR code now. Follow BMA students on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you for watching and listening. Any questions?